Replacing windows in your Lexington home is a significant investment that can enhance energy efficiency, increase property value, and improve curb appeal. However, many homeowners make avoidable mistakes during the window replacement process, leading to wasted money, inefficiency, or dissatisfaction with the final results. To ensure a smooth and successful window replacement experience, here are some of the most common mistakes to avoid. Choosing the wrong type of windows. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting the wrong type of windows for their home. Lexington experiences a variety of weather conditions, from hot, humid summers to cold winters, so it's essential to choose windows that offer excellent insulation and energy efficiency. Look for Energy Star rated windows designed to withstand Lexington's climate and provide optimal comfort year-round. Not considering energy efficiency. Energy efficiency should be a top priority when replacing windows. Many homeowners overlook features such as low-E glass, double or triple pane windows, and gas-filled insulation, which can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. Investing in energy-efficient windows may cost more upfront but can lead to long-term savings on your utility bills. Incorrect measurement. Improperly measured windows can lead to installation issues, air leaks, and increased energy loss. Even small measurement errors can result in windows that don't fit properly, requiring costly modifications or replacements. To avoid this mistake, it's best to have a professional take precise measurements before ordering new windows. DIY installation without experience. While do-it-yourself DIY projects can be a great way to save money, window replacement is a job that requires experience and skill. Poor installation can lead to air leaks, water damage, and compromised structural integrity. Hiring a professional ensures that your windows are installed correctly, providing a tight seal and lasting performance. Ignoring the importance of proper sealing. Proper sealing is crucial for preventing drafts, moisture infiltration, and heat loss. Some homeowners fail to check or replace worn-out seals, leading to inefficiency and potential water damage. Ensure that caulking and weather stripping are correctly applied during installation to keep your home comfortable and protected from the elements. Focusing only on cost, not quality. It's understandable to look for budget-friendly options, but choosing the cheapest windows available can result in poor durability, lower energy efficiency, and frequent repairs or replacements. Instead, focus on getting high-quality windows that offer long-term benefits, such as improved insulation, noise reduction, and UV protection. Not researching window contractors. Hiring an inexperienced or unlicensed contractor can lead to subpar installation and costly mistakes. Before selecting a window replacement company in Lexington, research customer reviews, ask for references, and verify licensing and insurance. A reputable contractor will provide warranties and ensure quality workmanship. Overlooking local building codes and permits. Lexington has specific building codes and permit requirements for window replacements. Ignoring these regulations can result in fines, failed inspections, or the need to redo the work. Work with a professional contractor familiar with local laws to ensure compliance and avoid unnecessary complications. not considering aesthetic compatibility. While functionality is essential, new windows should also complement your home's architectural style. Choosing mismatched window designs or colors can diminish curb appeal and even impact property value. Consider the overall look of your home when selecting window styles, frames, and finishes. Failing to plan for maintenance. Different window materials require varying levels of maintenance. Wood windows, for example, need regular painting and sealing, while vinyl or fiberglass options are low maintenance. Consider your lifestyle and the level of upkeep you're willing to commit to when selecting new windows. Final thoughts. Replacing windows in your Lexington home can be a smart investment if done correctly. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure a smooth installation process, maximize energy efficiency, and enhance your home's value. To get the best results, work with a trusted local window replacement expert who can guide you through the process and help you make informed decisions. With careful planning and professional installation, you'll enjoy beautiful, energy-efficient windows for years to come.